If you understand the most common areas where analytics are being used in your organization, you will better understand the value they can bring. This also allows you to argue by analogy and be both imaginative and pragmatic in finding ways to use analytics in your job. In marketing, analytics can help you understand customers and design communications that engage them. In sales, analytics can turn targeted opportunities into new or repeat business. In customer service, analytics enable you to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. In manufacturing and supply chain, you can use analytics to ensure you can operate with speed, precision, efficiency, and reliability. And finally, in human resources, analytics can enable you to maximize the performance of an organization's workforce. If your role is in one of these functions, you might already be familiar with how analytics can be applied there. However, there's still much to learn from the other functions within an organization. The first three functions, marketing, sales, and customer service, are interrelated. How they work together can be depicted in a simple map of the customer's journey of consuming products and services. In the first step, the customer becomes aware of a provider's offerings and considers whether to purchase. This usually occurs after a process of evaluation and comparison shopping. This step is largely the realm of marketing, where the mission is to engage prospective customers. In the second step, the customer purchases goods or services. This is often through the direct efforts of sales, especially when offerings or deals are customized. For most products and services, customers often seek or receive after-purchase service. This is commonly provided through customer service representatives in call centers or online customer self-service systems. The last step, at least as envisioned by the provider, has the customer becoming loyal and continuing to make additional purchases. Customer engagement and retention are the result of efforts across marketing, sales, and customer service. Remember, the customer's experience throughout the journey determines satisfaction and loyalty. And note another thing these functions can have in common: an analytics engine predicting next best offers and next best actions for customers. Manufacturing is a special case because it's a function in some industries like construction and also a major industry itself. Business practices and management methods from manufacturing and supply chain can apply to a variety of other industries and functions. Even if your enterprise does not manufacture products, it may rely extensively on the transportation, logistics, and inventory management functions of a carefully timed and orchestrated supply chain. That's the case in retail, restaurants, and many other product and service industries. Similarly, techniques and lessons from manufacturing apply to other enterprises, such as the back-office processes of banks that need high-quality, high-volume, consistent, and efficient operations. The last function is human resources, where analytics have only recently been systematically applied in most organizations. As a result, there are enormous opportunities to improve across the employment life cycle, from hiring to retention. When you understand the value of applying analytics in these common business functions, you can better envision business opportunities for using analytics. You can also discuss those opportunities with others and play a creative and pragmatic role in analytics development projects in your organization.